Are your mornings holding you back from your weight loss goals? Let's transform them with 5 simple but effective habits to jumpstart your journey. The first thing your body needs is water. A glass of warm lemon water detoxifies your system and boosts your metabolism for the day ahead. Next, get your blood flowing. A 10-minute stretch or light exercise increases your energy and starts burning calories right away. Choose a breakfast packed with protein and healthy fats. Think eggs, avocado toast, or a smoothie bowl. This fuels your body and prevents midday cravings. Before diving into your busy day, take 5 minutes for mindfulness or gratitude. Lower stress levels promote healthier eating habits throughout the day. Finally, plan your meals and set small daily goals. Being prepared keeps you on track and helps avoid impulsive eating. Start today and watch how these morning habits transform your health. Like, share, and subscribe for more weight loss secrets.